I hope the day will be a light, a highway for friends I found on every road. Can you ever think of any better way for the lost and weary travelers to go? People know you got what you need. With a friend at hand, you will see the light. If your friends are there, then everything's alright. It seems to me a crime that we should hate.